In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate an existing campaign and quickly customize it for a new send. Replicating a campaign is a huge time saver when you want to reuse a proven layout, messaging framework, or audience settings. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you'll clone the original and make a few targeted edits so it's ready to go again with fresh content. Start by heading to the Campaigns area from the left menu. This is your central hub for every draft and sent campaign. Make sure you're in the correct account or workspace so you're looking at the right list of items. Next, find the campaign you want to reuse. If you manage a lot of campaigns, scanning by recent activity or searching by title can help. Take a moment to verify you've got the correct one by glancing at the status and date. It's much easier to replicate the right version now than to discover a mismatch later. To begin the duplication process, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the campaign's Edit or View Report button. You'll typically see Edit on drafts and View Report on campaigns that have already been sent. Click that arrow to reveal more options tied to this specific campaign. From that menu, choose Replicate. In some interfaces, this option might appear as Copy. As soon as you select it, the platform will generate a new draft that mirrors the original. That means the content, audience, and settings are carried over automatically, giving you a strong starting point. Often, the new draft will be labeled with a prefix like copy of, which makes it easy to spot without touching the original. Open the replicated draft to make your updates. Begin with the subject line so it reflects your current offer or message. If your platform supports a preheader, adjust that too so it complements the subject and sets clear expectations. Then review the content blocks inside the email or message. Update any time-sensitive details, swap out images or headlines as needed, and double-check links and buttons to ensure they point to the correct pages for this version. Finally, confirm the audience or segment is exactly what you want for this send. Replication preserves your original targeting, which is convenient, but you may want to refine the segment or exclude recipients who already received a prior version. When your edits are complete, save your changes and give everything a careful review. Use preview and testing tools to catch typos, broken links, or outdated details. Once you're confident the replicated draft looks and reads the way you intend, you're ready to proceed just as you would with any other draft.